Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture and nickname on Discord. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, let's get into it. Let's go to the bottom left corner of Discord and click on the gear icon. That's your user settings. Once you are in your user settings, you are going to see your current profile. Click on My Account at the top of the menu. Right here, you are going to see your current profile picture and your nickname. Now click Edit User Profile right here from the picture and click on that. Hover over your current profile picture with your mouse and you will see a pencil. Click on that and then you can click on Change Avatar. Here you can either upload your image or choose your GIF. So I'm gonna upload picture right now of something that I have here. You can zoom in, zoom out. You can rotate your picture by 90 degrees. You can even move your picture where you need it to be. And then after you are satisfied with how it looks, click apply. Here you can also change your display name or nickname. So you can change your nickname here and that is your global nickname. Here also you can change per server profile after you save these changes. So if you click here per server profile, that means your profile will look different on different servers. So you can do the same thing here. You can just change your server nickname to whatever you want. Save changes, and there you go. Alright, and that's it. Now you know how to change your profile picture, server nickname, and global username on Discord. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.